Number five, an economic system wherein the factors of production and distribution are owned and managed by the state. Is it letter A, mixed system, B, communism, C, socialism, or letter D, capitalism? What is your answer, guys? Ang tamang sagot ay letter C, guys, socialism. Okay, let me explain yung mga iba't ibang economic system na nandito na din sa ating mga choices. Pag sinabi nating socialism, ito ay yung mga state, kung yung state or isang bansa ay nag-o-own at nagko-control ng mga major means of production. Halimbawa nito yung mga factories, land, resources na namamanage nila yung distribution of goods din. Kaya socialism sa. So, marahil ay sumasagot kayo ng letter D, capitalism, pero yung letter D kasi is characterized by private ownership. Kung yung mga state-owned enterprise ay naging private-owned na, so that's capitalism only. So na-privatize na yung ownership ng isang uh, business or kumpanya or isang institution. So that's capitalism.